Welcome back to part 5 to my XL500 rebuild. So today I'm working on my wiring harness. Just glued in a little sandpaper in the end of a piece of steel here. I'm just going to clean my connections in here. They look a lot better. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that looks really nice there now. Alright, and put this here, wiring harness in here. There's the ground goes on this side here. Alright, these hook up here. They slide in here. There you go. Okay, for a spark plug boot here. Put the carburetor on. So this is a XR500 carburetor. This is an XL. This got an XL500, has an accelerator pump with a rod outside here. And this one, the XR500, does not. And the difference, this side's the same, the inlet, the outlet, and you see the difference. It's machined smaller on the XL500 than the XR by 2 millimeters. Oh man, there she's in. The one that pulls the carburetor open goes at the bottom. This thing goes right on that thing there, this cable. And the other cable. Looking good. I want to put the air box in. There's 2 bolts here. One here. And one here. Clamp here. Yeah, all good. I'm gonna clean up the exhaust here. I already sanded it down a little bit. Got some flame-proof exhaust paint. It's very high temperature. It says header paint, silica ceramic coating. Very expensive. I paid 27 Canadian. Put a little light coat on the exhaust. I already prepped it. And heat shield here. Just finished my second coat right there. Looks pretty good. The exhaust pipe on here. I think the spacer goes behind here. Yeah. So I put my XR500 stickers here on my side panels. They're all scratched up here, but I sand them down a little bit, as much as I can. Now, you're supposed to spray a little bit of soapy water in there, but this is so rough that I'll catch water in the scratches and they won't come out when I squeegee it out. So I'm just gonna stick them in here. So I'm gonna center this up here where I like it. There's the bolt hole here. And make sure she's flat down here and show a little bit of red. And all the way around. Alright, I like it there, so I'm gonna put some tape here as a guide. Here. Just gonna cut it here. Yeah, put that down. I'm gonna raise it up. Stick it there. That looks good. There's little tiny bubbles there, but I'm gonna leave them like that. Put them in the sun. If they don't go out, I'll take a needle. I'll maybe punch the big ones, take out the air, but yeah, that'll turn out pretty good. That looks a little better. Put the gas tank on here. Put the mud guard on here, just temporarily. I don't have my taillight yet. I ordered one on eBay. Should be here in a couple of days. I put the seat on. Just make it look like a motorcycle here.